everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you to all my 41 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much because you guys are the real VIP on this channel. Thank you so much for believing in me and subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much. Even while we have 4.1 subscriber on this channel, you guys will always be my first VIP. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love, your support. I can see it. Thank you for watching my video. And to everyone coming across my video for the first time, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel and you will always get the best and the best. I promise you the best tips to look good without breaking your banks, because really you don't need to break your banks to look good. So please stay aware to subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much. My name is Lola and I'm a mom of 2 based in the UK. I'm also a wife to a lovely man. Thank you for subscribing to this channel once again. And on today's topic, I'll be giving you ideas of places you can shop from if you're based in the UK, and even if you're not in the UK, for you to save your money and not spend too much because you want to look good. It's good to look good, and why it's good to look good, you also need to spend wisely. So one of the places I would recommend to you if you want to shop good and beautiful things with good qualities that you enjoy your money. One of the places I will mention to you is Pretty Little Things. Yeah, you can get things from Pretty Little Things. I always get things from Pretty Little Things. Their things are nice quality. I have a lot of things I've got from them, and they do sales a lot of times and with a good discount. Yeah, and you can always get things from Boohoo. Boohoo always have nice things as well, and they always have things on sales. ASOS is number 3. They have nice things. ASOS is a little bit high to me. It's a little bit expensive than Little Pretty Things to me than Boohoo, but they have nice things. And number 4 site I'll mention to you is get things on Shein. Yeah, buy your things from Shein. And if you are buying from Shein, you don't just shop from Shein. You don't just shop from Shein. You need to know the good websites where you should get from. Buyers you should buy bags from, because Shein usually have nice bag. I mean it when I say nice bag, quality bags, and they have copies of Zara, H&M, all the brands out there. You can get it from Shein for a good quality. I bet you good quality's bag, shoes, dresses. But the only thing is you need to know the best buyer to buy from. And if you're going to need that, if you're interested to know one of the buyers to get your bags, your shoes, your dresses from, you can leave a comment below and I'll do a video based on that, because that is another video. And if you're not buying from Shein, you can buy from Temo. I've bought some nice things from Temo also have nice and lovely things from. You can get bag as cheap as £6 from Temo. I can tell you that. And Temo always have some deals that you'll be surprised, like, are they going to deliver this thing for real? And one good thing about Temo is when you want to return. Oh my God. Bless Temo, I can tell you that again. Bless them, because they don't stress you when you want to return, unlike most of these other stores out there. And if another place again for you to buy from is buy from TikTok. I can tell you, TikTok, oh my God, maybe I should even use TikTok as first, because TikTok has a lot of deals. But I know some people have their view about TikTok, which I understand, but if you don't want to waste money, you don't want to spend your money too much, and you want to look good, please go to TikTok. And I'm on TikTok, so if you want to buy from TikTok, let me know. I will recommend nice things for you on TikTok. They have a lot of these from TikTok. And if you're not buying from TikTok, another place you can buy from again is, my darling, go and shop from charity store. Go and shop from charity store. You see those charity store, I just discovered them. not quite long, because usually I just go to charity store to drop things. I do that like twice in a year, maybe unwanted dresses, shoes and bag for me or my kids, or so I'll drop it at charity store. But one of these days I just went there, and I was just, you can't believe, I saw a lovely dress, brand new with label, for £3. So why are you wasting your money when you can shop from these places? So there are a lot of charity store there. But one thing you can do about charity store, if you want to enjoy charity store, check the areas you're shopping from. You know what I mean? Just shop from people, rich people area. Go to rich people, all this rich people area, where you see, where you go to their areas. I bet with you, when you start shopping from them, from this charity store, people will always come to you. Where did you shop from? Because like I've gotten like 3 items from them, and I really love it. Really love it. I'm going to be posting a video anytime soon, my first shopping from charity. Because there's this one of my friend we met during this content journey online. I always see her buying things from charity, and they are lovely things. And those are one of the things that push me to check their hangers, and they have lovely things. So why are you wasting your money? Just shop from charity stores. So that is the tips I have for you, my first tips on fashion for today. So thank you for staying tuned, and please always share my videos. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.